Oke, baik. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan melanjutkan pembelajaran saya untuk belajar React di website W3 School. Dan di sini saya mulai lanjut di bagian first app. Di sini ada tulisan your first React app. Now that your development environment is set up, let's try to modify the default app to display hello world. Your development environment, persiapan pengembangan sudah siap. Saatnya coba memodifikasi tampilan default dari display hello world. Dan di sini modify the React app. Look in the my React app directory and you will find a source folder. Inside source folder there's a file called app.js. Open it and will look like this. Try replacing the entire file content with the code below and save the file. Praktiknya harus ini. Source. Dulu. What happens when you save change to your component? You need to manually reload the browser. Oke, close. Oke, kita lanjut ke berikutnya. Render HTML. React render HTML. React goal is many way to render HTML in a web page. React render HTML to the web page via a container and a function called create_route. The container. React use a container to render HTML in a web page. Typically, this container is a div ID root div element in the index.html file. If you have followed the step in the previous chapter, you should have a file called index.html in the root directory of your project. Example default index.html seperti ini. Terus, to better understand the context of index.html, let's remove all the code we don't need. Terus, the file is now stripped from unnecessary code, and we can concrete on learning React without any disturbing element, tanpa elemen yang mengganggu. The create_route function. The create_route function is located in main.jsx file in source folder, and it's a built-in function that is used to create a route node for a React application. Example, the default content of the source main.jsx file. The create_route function takes one argument, an HTML element. The purpose of function is to define the HTML element where a React component should be displayed. Oh, berarti di akarnya dia tetap pakai HTML, tapi HTML cuma untuk ngedisplay. To better understand the create_route function, let's remove unnecessary code and write on hello React. If you save the file, the result in the browser will look like this. The render method. To notice the render method, the render method defines what to render in the HTML container. The result is displayed in the div ID root element. Example, display a paragraph inside the root element. main JSX, insert paragraph, namakan P, dan welcome show react. Web3 School has its own show react tool where we will show the result of the code we explained in the tutorial. Click the run example. Oke. Bayar tidak jadi. Kemudian the HTML code. The HTML code in this tutorial use JSX, which allow you to write HTML text inside the JavaScript code. Don't worry if the syntax is unfamiliar. You will learn more about JSX later in this tutorial. Example: create a variable constant HTML code and display it in the root node main.js. Elemennya ada nama, kemudian dipanggil lagi create root dokumen get element by id root render my element. Kita oh jadi sebaris dia. Dan kemudian the root node is the HTML element where you want to display the result. It's like a container for content managed by React. It does not have to be div. Example: the root node can be called whatever you like. Display the result. Header Sandi. Kok nggak kelihatan Sandi? The root node can be called whenever you like. Display the result in header. Berarti header ini Sandi, tapi di HTML di JS semua. Sekarang latihan the exercise. What is true about container element for React rendering? Can have any ID, but those icon must add div element. Have the ID root. Submit. Not. Let's try again. Nothing. Next question. Import the React DOM client from import apa nih import React. Oh, kok bisa diklik? Import kok gini? import React DOM. Import React. Ini tarik ini. Mesti tarik. Gimana? What happen when you use create route to render content? Untuk root main.js index.html. Oke. HTML habis upgrade React 19. React application version 19 only require this step. If you are already using the latest version of React, you can skip this section. Step 1, install React. Terminal. Step 2. Harus sudah install. Tapi aku buat versi ini. React ES6. ES6 standard for ECMAScript 6. ECMAScript was created to standardize JavaScript and ES6 in the 6th version of ECMAScript. It was published in 2050 and also known as ECMAScript 2050. Why should I learn ES6? Kok nggak ada? Oh, ada ininya. 6 classes. Introduce classes of function, but instead of using the word function, we use the keyword class and the properties as assigned in the constructor method. Example, a simple class constructor. Kelasnya mobil, constructor, brand, this brand name. Notice the case of the class name. We have begin name with car with an uppercase character here. C besar. This is standard naming convention for class. Oh, calls my car, new car, for trade. So. Mustang. Kok gak keluar? Kok gak keluar? Gimana caranya? Method in class. You can add your own method in class. Example, car constructor names. As you can see in the example above, you call the method by referring the object method, the name followed by parentheses. Maksudnya parameter will go inside the parentheses. Kemudian ada class inheritance. To create a class inheritance, use the extend keyword. A class created with a class inheritance inherits all the method from another class. Example, name model which will inherit the methods from the car class. Di sini ada kelasnya mobil. Constructor name, this brand name. Present, I have this brand. Present, return, I have this brand. Class model, extend car. Constructor name, mode. Super name, this model, mode. Show. It is a cons my car, new model, Ford Mustang, my car show. It's a Mustang. The super method refers to the parents. By calling the super method in constructor method, we input in constructor method and get access to the parent properties and methods. To learn more in your class, check out JavaScript classes section. Ini tadi kelas, ini konstruktor, ini main. Oke. What is correct way to create an object? Cons my car. Cons my car. Langsung dikasih nama tadi? Enggak deh. Car created. New car for. Okay, inherit extend. Inside class this parent. Oh, parent. Super. Okay. React ES6 raw function. Raw function allow us to write sorter function syntax. Example, before sebelumnya function hello, sebelumnya function return hello world. Example hello, return hello world. Sudah kan? It gets shorter if the function has only one statement and the statement returns value. You can remove the bracket and the return keyword. Raw function return value by default hello world. This works only if the function has only one statement. Ini bekerja kalau function ini cuma punya satu pernyataan. Kalau ada parameter, kamu melewatkan mereka dan parent sample raw function parameter select. In fact, if you only have one parameter, you can skip the parameters as well. Sample raw function without parentheses. What about this? The handling of this is also different in arrow function compared to regular function. In short, with arrow function, there is no binding of this. In regular function of this, keyword is represent the object, the function, which could be the window, the document, and a button or whatever. with arrow function that this keyword always represent the object of that define the arrow function. Let us take a look at two examples to understand the difference. Both examples call a method twice. First when the page loads, and once again when the user clicks a button. The first example user a regular function, and the second example user an arrow function. The result show that the first example return two different objects, window and button, and the second example return the header object twice. Example, with a regular function, this represent the object that call the function class header constructor, this color red. Regular function, change color function, document get element by ID, demo, inner HTML, this, my header, new header, window, add event listener, get element by ID, add event listener, my header, with an arrow function, this represent the header object no matter who call the function, class header, constructor. Begitu kamu begitu sukses. Salah. Reload. Parameter allow in parameter true. Oke, saya kira untuk pembelajaran React sampai di sini. Nanti bakal dilanjutkan di minggu depan. Terima kasih. Maaf apabila banyak kesalahan dan kekurangan karena saya kondisinya lagi pemulihan Pak dari sakit. Mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.